Oh, Rick from Home Mechanics. Dato. I hate it. I can't stand it. I hate driving it. You know why? I'll show you why. I love WJs. Here's my other beast. Absolutely hammers. But I need to put in a crank sensor, but I'm not allowed to yet. I'll show you why. You hear that? Yeah, you don't hear much, do you? Not a great deal. I mean, that's really sad. It's supposed to be a high performance V8. So, tomorrow, I'm going to install this. Yeah. That should make it sound a bit more like the Red Beast. It's the Hooker air chamber, the same as I've got on the Red Beast. So tomorrow I'm going to have that fitted, and I hope I'll hate it a bit less. So wait for my next clip and see what it sounds like. So at the moment, I hate the way it sounds.